In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to write stylish writings and write-ups on your Facebook posts and pages. So we go straight right away to avoid waste of time. So you're on a data. First of all, let me show an example of the stylish write-up. Cheers to your new age. Happy birthday, uncle. This is a stylish write-up. So if you want something like this, then you have to follow the same processes just as I'm doing now. So first of all, you go to your browser, home, search for your text, press click, enter. Then the first link there, https://yatext.com. You click. So this font will pop up. Then you see a box there, your text, hello string, text screen, my old friend. You click inside the box, then it show you to type. So you type anything you want to post on your Facebook or page. You can also use this same or same on WhatsApp and every chat. So this one, but we are only basically on Facebook. So you write whatever you want to post. For example, let's use Happy Mother's Day. So after that, you scroll down, check for your favorite stylish write-up, you choose and copy. Many are here, just look for the one that is best for you, that suits your perfections. So I will go, let me go with this. So I will copy. After that, you go back to your Facebook account, then you post. Let me just use this as an example, just a video tutorial. So you click and hold, you paste it. So same stylish write-up you apply there, you copy there, will appear here. Happy Mother's Day. So you now fill up everything, tag, location, activities, and the rest. So you post. So waiting for Facebook to upload it. After successful upload, you see how your work is done. Successfully uploaded. So this is it. This is the outcome. Happy Mother's Day. The stylish write-up is there. You can check it anywhere, everywhere. It will still be the same. So you like the video, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell behind, and like the video. Thank you for watching.